Hello, it's Dave here, and I want to make a quick video to explain to you how the new licensing system works for FastMember. Now, what you need to do is install this new plugin, which is called the fastflow dashboard. And through this dashboard plugin, we're going to be able to install any of the other fastflow plugins that you have available. So, for example, FastMember is just down here, and you can see it's active on this site. But what you'll need to do is basically enter your license key in here. And once you've entered your license key, you'll be able to go back to the add-ons page and install FastMember from there. So the new update for FastMember is going to be available through this FastFlow dashboard, and you should have a license key either emailed to you if you're an existing subscriber, or you'll see a form on this page to upgrade your FastMember license to a FastFlow license. So I hope that explains what's happening with this fastflow dashboard and the new licensing system. Any questions, just hit our support and I'll be happy to answer them and get you sorted out. Okay, thank you.